Hi, my name is Bob Hayes, Stephen Winter Associates. We partnered with the Building Innovation Hub to create an FAQ which aims to answer when building owners should consider submetering and how it could help. We'll go through a few key points from the FAQ in this video. We're going to start with the basics. A meter is a device for recording a building's energy or other utility use. A submeter is a meter installed between the utility-owned meter and an end use. Its purpose is to measure the energy use of that particular load or part of the building. Here's an example. Let's take a look at utility meters in a typical mixed-use building. In our example, we're talking about a rental apartment building with first-floor retail occupied by a grocery store. Take the electrical meters shown in the diagram as an M in a blue circle. Each apartment has its own utility meter. House power for central building systems and shared and support spaces have one or more utility meters. The retail suite has its own utility meter. For energy benchmarking, the utility can be asked to create a virtual aggregate meter that represents the sum of the energy use of all the utility meters included. What if we wanted to know how much energy a particular system or building service was using? What if there are non-building energy loads that I wanted to exclude? What if I wanted to understand how to increase the energy performance of major building systems? That's why we're talking about submetering. Let's add some submeters to our diagram. One of the use cases is tracking performance of major energy-using equipment separately from the rest of the building. This information could be used to identify energy efficiency measures, monitor and track system-level energy use, or to support system optimization. For example, in a contemporary apartment building with mechanical ventilation, up to 40% of a building's energy use could be attributed to conditioning ventilation air. Installing a submeter or submetering the dedicated outside air system could help in understanding energy use patterns and identify set points or control configurations to improve energy performance. So a submeter is a meter located between the utility-owned meter and the end use. A submeter is owned and maintained by the building owner instead of the utility. This means it's up to the building owner or property manager to install, calibrate, and read the meters. This could be accomplished through building management systems, manual meter reads, third-party billing services, or other means. Let's take a look at a couple of examples of submeters. Pictured here are electrical submeters. What's shown could be metering a single device, circuit, panel board, or whole parts of a building. These devices are connected to current and potential transducers that measure electrical current and voltage. These devices also require power to operate. Some of these meters are attached to transmitters to enable remote reading. Some are hardwired to building control systems, and one is fully standalone and requires manual reads. How does submetering help my building? For energy management, submetering enables real-time and accurate usage monitoring, shows peak usage and any unusual trends, sheds light on energy-intensive areas, and helps make informed decisions on energy savings. After all, you can't manage what you don't measure.